Interact with Computer, Class 8, Chapter 1, Advanced Microsoft Word. Information technology has changed the style of working of the people. Handwritten letters, documents, or documents created through typewriter are being increasingly replaced by computer-generated documents. For creating computerized documents, a word processor software is used. A word processor is an application software used for creation, editing, formatting, and printing of any sort of document like letter, notice, circular, schedule, poster, resume, agenda, etc. Microsoft Word is a word processing software consisting of many powerful features. The Mail Merge tool. Mail Merge is a tool in MS Word for simplifying repetitive documents and tasks. Mail Merge can be used for creating many documents at once that contain identical formatting, layout, text, graphics, etc., and where only certain portions of each document vary. Mail Merge is also used for generating bulk mailers or letters, labels, envelopes, mass emails, and large number of fax distributions, etc. How Mail Merge works. In Mail Merge process, basically the following two files are used. Main document. The main document contains the information that will remain the same in each letter, email or fax. Along with the information that remains the same, the main document also contains merge fields, which are references to the fields in the data source. Data source. The data source contains all the variable information in the form of fields. This is the information that will change in the main document when the merge is completed. When the main document and data source are merged, Microsoft Word replaces each merge field in the main document with the data from the respective field contained in the data source. The end result is a third document, a combination of the main document and data source, which can be either previewed in MS Word file or can be directly sent to printer. Mail Merge is ideal for creating personalized form letters or labels instead of editing the original letter several times to input different personalized information. As you can imagine, this can save a lot of time as well as worry about not changing all the information for the new recipient. Steps to do Mail Merge. You can use the Mail Merge task pane to create form letters, mailing labels, envelopes, directories, and mass email and fax distributions. Step 1. Open or create a data source with individual recipient information. Before creating a mail merge, it is important to already have your data source ready. Although it is not necessary, it will be easy to have it set up beforehand. Therefore, enter your data, like addresses of the recipients, into a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Here is what your spreadsheet should look like. Notice that the first row is used to write the names of the address fields, and the appropriate data is entered in the rows below. After creating the data source file in Excel, save it by selecting the File menu, Save As option, and name the file as datafile.xls. The Auto Text tool. Auto Text is a handy way to save time in Microsoft Word. With the click of a button, you can insert commonly used phrases and names in your documents. Word has a number of auto text entries pre-installed. Inserting an auto text entry in a document. Steps to insert an auto text entry in a document. Step 1. Click Insert Auto Text. Step 2. On the sub-menu, you can select from a list of entries. Step 3. Click the entry you want to insert in the document. Word automatically inserts it into your document. Defining your own auto text entries. You can make things even easier by customizing auto text entries. You can add your own auto text entries by following the steps given below. Step 1. Clicking on Insert menu, Auto Text. Step 2. Further select Auto Text on the sub-menu. Step 3. In the box labeled Enter Auto Text Entries here, type your auto text entry. Step 4. Click Add. Repeat for each one you'd like to enter. Step 5. Click OK when you're done. Inserting columns in a document. If you want to type text in columns like we see in newspapers, magazines and journals, multiple columns in the page can be set. Step 1. Select Format Columns option. Step 2. The Columns dialog box will appear. Click on one of the column presets to specify the number of columns in our document, or specify a value for the number of columns in the Number of Columns box. Increase or decrease the spacing between columns by changing the value in the spacing boxes. If a line is required between two columns, enable the checkbox of the Line Between options. Step 3. Click on OK button. After specifying the number of columns and spacing between the columns and clicking on the OK button, start typing the text. The text will automatically wrap into the next line according to the column width being set by you. Also, when the last line of the column is reached, the cursor automatically jumps to the first line of the next column.